There's a reason some diesel cars hit 1 million miles, while others are dead before 200,000. I've seen both in my shop, and here's the real truth most people ignore. It's not the brand, it's how the diesel engine is treated. Today I'm sharing 10 diesel life hacks that can help your car or diesel car last way longer than it should. These are the same habits I use on high-mileage diesels that just won't die. And at the end, I'll share 2 bonus diesel habits that help my own car pass 465,000 miles and still climbing. Let's get into it. Diesel hack number 10, the 30-second cold start rule. Cold starts kill diesel engines faster than anything else when done wrong. A lot of drivers think letting a diesel idle for 10 or 15 minutes on a cold morning is good. It's not. Long cold idling causes poor fuel burn, fuel dilution in the oil, carbon buildup, faster wear on piston rings and turbo bearings. Modern diesel engines do not need long warm-ups. They have advanced fuel control and sensors. What they need is oil pressure and light load, not sitting still. The right diesel warm-up, start the engine. Let it idle 30 to 60 seconds. Drive gently for the first 5 minutes. Keep RPMs low and avoid boost. This warms the engine, turbo, and oil together, the safe way. Long idling might feel safe, but over time it slowly destroys your diesel from the inside. And that leads us to a fluid most diesel owners forget about until it eats the engine alive. Diesel hack number 9. Coolant is not forever. Diesel engines run hotter and under more pressure than gas engines. That makes coolant even more critical. Old diesel coolant turns acidic and starts attacking. Radiator, water pump, EGR cooler, head gasket. I've seen diesel head gaskets fail just because coolant was never flushed. Most diesel owners think coolant is lifetime. It's not. Even extended life diesel coolant should be flushed every 3 years or 30,000 to 40,000 miles, especially if you tow or idle a lot. When coolant breaks down, it can cause internal corrosion, mystery overheating, coolant leaks in strange places. A coolant flush costs a little. A diesel head gasket costs thousands. Easy choice. And while we're talking about airflow and cooling, the next hack controls how much fuel your diesel injects every second, and almost nobody cleans it. Diesel hack number 8, clean the MAF or MAP sensor. Your diesel engine can't think on its own. It depends on sensors to tell it how much air is coming in. On diesels, that's usually the MAF sensor, the MAP sensor, or both. When these sensors get dirty, your diesel starts guessing, and guessing leads to poor fuel mileage, black smoke, turbo lag, rough idle, loss of power. I've seen diesel owners ready to replace injectors or turbos when the real problem was a dirty sensor. Here's the fix. Every 10,000 to 15,000 miles, remove the sensor. Spray it with MAF cleaner only. No touching, no scrubbing. Let it dry and reinstall. Never use brake cleaner or carb cleaner. That will destroy it. A clean sensor helps proper fuel delivery, cleaner exhaust, longer turbo, and DPF life. This one small step can make your diesel feel brand new again. Diesel hack number 7, change fuel filters early. If there's one thing diesel engines hate, it's dirty fuel. Diesel fuel carries more dirt and water than gas. That's why fuel filters matter so much. Waiting too long to change them leads to injector damage, hard starts, loss of power, costly high-pressure fuel pump failure. Modern diesel injectors are insanely precise. One dirty filter can destroy a set that costs thousands. My rule to change diesel fuel filters every 15,000 to 20,000 miles. Even sooner if you tow or buy fuel from small stations. And always drain the water separator if your diesel has one. A $40 filter change can save a $4,000 injection system. Diesel hack number 6, transmission fluid is not lifetime. Diesel cars work hard. Towing, hauling, stop-and-go traffic. All of that cooks transmission fluid. If your transmission fluid smells burnt, the damage has already started. Lifetime fluid really means lifetime of the warranty, not the car. I've seen diesel transmissions fail before 100,000 miles just because the fluid was never changed. Safe diesel rule, change transmission fluid every 30,000 to 50,000 miles. Use the exact fluid type. Avoid quick lube flushes with universal fluid. Clean fluid means smooth shifts, lower temps, longer transmission life. Dirty fluid means a rebuild is coming. And next, we're talking about a cheap part that quietly destroys diesel engines when people try to save a few dollars. Diesel hack number 5, never use cheap oil filters. A diesel engine lives and dies by clean oil. Using a cheap oil filter on a diesel is one of the worst mistakes you can make. Low-quality filters let metal and soot pass through. Collapse under high oil pressure. Lose oil pressure at startup. That's deadly for turbochargers, camshafts, bearings. Diesels produce more soot than gas engines. That means your oil filter works much harder. Always use OEM filters or trusted brands made for diesel engines. Avoid no-name filters from gas stations or bargain bins. Saving $5 on a filter can cost you thousands in engine damage. Clean oil is the lifeline of a diesel. Diesel hack number 4, stop topping off diesel fuel. After the pump clicks off, stop. Topping off your diesel tank can destroy your EVAP and emission system, especially on newer diesels. When you keep filling, fuel can flood the vapor system. Sensors get damaged. Check engine lights appear. Emissions tests fail. Repairs can cost $400 to $800, sometimes more. That click is not a suggestion. It means the system is full. Just stop and drive. Your emission system will last longer, and so will your wallet. Diesel hack number 3, use a real diesel fuel cleaner. Diesel injectors don't clog fast, but when they do, it's expensive. Over time, carbon and varnish build up in injectors, intake parts, combustion chambers. This causes poor mileage, hard starts, rough idle, knocking under load. Simple fix, use a high-quality diesel fuel additive every 6 months. Stick with trusted brands, skip the cheap gas station bottles. Good cleaners help restore spray patterns, reduce smoke, protect injectors and fuel pumps. Use it before an oil change when possible, since cleaners can loosen dirt. This small habit can prevent massive diesel repair bills. And now we're getting close to the most important diesel habit of all. Diesel hack number 2, fix small leaks immediately. In a diesel engine, there is no such thing as a small leak. One drop of oil, coolant, or fuel today can destroy your engine tomorrow. Common diesel leaks come from valve cover gaskets, turbo oil lines, coolant hoses, fuel return lines. Ignore them, and here's what happens. Low oil kills turbo bearings. Coolant loss causes overheating and warped heads. Fuel leaks damage seals and create fire risk. I've seen diesel engines fail because owners kept just topping it off. That's how a $20 seal turns into a $5,000 engine repair. If you see spots on the ground or smell fuel or coolant, fix it fast. Leaks never get better on their own. Diesel hack number 1, the 5,000-mile oil change rule. If you remember only one thing, remember this. Change diesel oil every 5,000 miles. I don't care what the dash says. I don't care if the manual says 10,000 miles. Diesel oil works harder because it holds soot. It runs hotter. Turbos cook it. Even full synthetic diesel oil breaks down faster than people think, especially with short trips, heavy towing, stop-and-go driving. Miss oil changes and you get sludge. Stuck piston rings? Turbo failure. A quality oil change costs $70 to $100. A diesel rebuild costs $5,000 to $10,000. I've seen diesel cars hit 300,000 to 500,000 miles without engine work just by following this rule. This isn't maintenance, it's discipline. Bonus diesel. Tip number 1, replace all rubber hoses every 7 years. Rubber doesn't last forever. Even if hoses look fine on the outside, they rot from the inside. Every 7 years, replace coolant hoses, vacuum lines, fuel vapor lines, PCV hoses. Old hoses cause hidden leaks, boost loss, poor fuel economy. High-mileage diesel owners do this quietly. That's why their cars keep running. Bonus diesel. Tip number 2, full fluid service. Every 50,000 miles. Every 50,000 miles, don't just change oil. Flush or replace heat coolant, transmission fluid, differential fluid, brake fluid, power steering fluid. Think of it as a diesel detox. Clean fluids reduce heat, wear, and hidden damage. This habit alone is a big reason my diesel car is past 465,000 miles and still going. Take care of your diesel, and it will take care of you. These 10 diesel hacks aren't complicated. They're just ignored. Use them and your diesel can outlive the payment book.